My video guide will help you to get rid of fake alerts that come from this random website P03try-c4t3g0ry.xyz. It's a long name of the website and obviously it is a random name, so I'm going to quote it just once. And this website may attack the majority of popular browsers today, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and other browsers too. These pop-ups may be the result of certain adware to be enabled in your computer. For instance, you may see these strange notifications in the right part of the screen, and if you click on them, you may be brought to some other shady websites like these. These websites claim to be related to some decent security software, but when you start interacting with them, you may be redirected to some other shady resources in the internet. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you not to interact with these fake alerts. Do not download or install anything that they suggest, because these pop-ups have in mind to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Do not interact with them and disregard their scary messages. We recommend you to first of all carefully search the control panel of your computer, and you need to uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. If you find them here, get rid of them. We also recommend you to additionally research your device with a combo cleaner. This is the antivirus available both for Mac and Windows computers. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.